Great.
All right. I am in my new digs. We got the hangar outside. This is the back shop. Obviously back shop. We got all the engine stands. We're ready for getting the crate engine out.
The Blueprint 302.
Yeah, well, 306. It's 30 over. And then we have the Bronco sitting there with the 351. I'm gonna pull that any day now. So if you look over here, I got to clean up some stuff back there. But this is pretty good. We're excited. We're gonna try to open this thing up and take a look at Blueprint.
What's with the QR codes?
FedEx.
Wow.
Alright, they gave us free oil, braking oil.
Oh, buddy. This looks freaking clean, guy. Can we just put this in Trixie instead and put Trixie's engine in Bronco?
Nope.
He hit that with a note.
Jeez. That's pretty. I like it a lot. I don't know what to do with it.
You don't know what to do?
No.
Yeet it in your car. Put it in Trixie.
No, none of those. None of these.
Wow, look at that clean, non-destroyed oil pan, Grant.
Yeah, I have a big denting line at the bottom. Oh, that has a nice.
That's a beautiful blue. Look at that. Ah. There it is. There it goes.
I still don't like how I got it on here with the wood.
There's
no other way to do it.
This is so sketchy.
What do you mean? Now it's fine. It's just the look of it is funny. Oh, that is so pretty. That's really pretty.
Hey, Grant.
Oh, I love how it came with everything. What?
I bet she's gonna lope hard.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh.
This thing is so sick. Fans, look how this is the nicest engine we've ever had. Look at this. Look at this junk. Fans, I'd say it's okay.
I think it's pretty.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. Look at the look at the blueprint. Oil.
Is that a short throw oil stick?
Oh,
Short throw dipstick?
Let me check. It's so pretty. Like a lot. We've got some braking right on here.
Ooh, Grant, let me see this. Let me see this.
Ooh.
Ooh, Grant, this looks really slippery.
Oh my.
You know, to make this engine a lot better,
Well, it would make it a lot better.
they had an LS. If it was an LS.
That's Chevy talk. We don't talk like that in a Ford household.
All right, fans, and that is the Blueprint engine 306. It's gonna have a 543 intake cam lope and a 534 exhaust cam lope, hopefully making around 425 to 450 horsepower and around the same in torque. And it should have 1.6 ratio rockers and Pro Max aluminum heads on them. So this thing should be really light, really rowdy. Super exciting. We're gonna run a Holly Sniper on it, the same one that you guys saw in the 351. And I mean, I hope it sounds good. I mean, you know, 302s kind of sound like, but maybe with Grant's pencil headers, they might sound a little better, but we'll see how that goes. So next thing you'll see about the Bronco will probably be us ripping that 351 out. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow us at Instagram at crap_box_cars. We post every Wednesday. If you like this video, Grant will kiss you.